Hello dear friends! Now you will see another selection of coolest products from Amazon sites. All links to the products in the description below the video. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Let's go!
The QB5 is a tiny desktop that fits on the palm of your hand. It's perfect for office and other professional settings. It even takes care of general home entertainment. The QB5 can even be mounted to a monitor, making it a real space saver. The MP221 is a perfect choice for this with its VESA mount support. And with the support for extended power switch, there's no need to reach behind the monitor. Despite its tiny size, the QB5 still delivers top performance powered by Intel's 10th generation Core i7 processor. This means excellent processing power and a smooth desktop experience. MSI always strives for easy upgradability. On the QB5, the SSD and memory modules are seamlessly accessed through the bottom for upgrading. It's that simple. The QB5 is exceptionally silent. Even under full load, it will still be the perfect choice for even libraries. This tiny desktop is rich in I/O ports. It also supports dual monitors with its HDMI and DisplayPort connections, letting you multitask even more efficiently. For more information, please go check out the product page, and thanks for watching.
The Alienware Alpha to be the ultimate small form factor gaming PC, taking you deeper into the game than you ever thought possible. Amazingly small and incredibly user-friendly, the Alpha has a unique user interface, Alienware Hive Mind, which allows you to access your Steam games, videos, images, and favorite programs all from your controller. It's also got powerful Intel Core i processors, up to 16 gigs of DDR4 memory, and an M.2 PCIe port for additional storage. And with the optional Alienware graphics amplifier, you can experience brilliant 4K gaming and incredible virtual reality. With an improved GPU performance from a 4GB NVIDIA GeForce GTX 960 GPU, your gaming experience is visceral and real. Crank up your settings and run your games at true 1080p and up to 60 frames per second for select titles. The Alpha also offers easy upgradability that only a PC can deliver. You'll enjoy access to core components, including upgrading the CPU, the memory, and the hard drive, all without voiding your warranty. With its dangerously small design and deceptively powerful performance, the Alpha has been engineered to change perceptions of how desktop gaming should look and feel.
Introducing our most versatile, scalable, and capable thin client ever positioned for the mid-range. With 2 sleek form factors and up to 21 ports and slots for ultimate configurability. Empower your cloud users with superior performance. Choose from fast and powerful Intel processor options that allow users to utilize 3D design applications in true 4K, with support for up to 4 4K displays and 2 2K displays at once. And work confidently with the most secure thin client operating system, Wise Thin OS, or choose from optimized Wise Thin Linux or Windows 10 IoT enterprise options. Plus, with Wise Management Suite, you can experience intelligent unified management, deploy quickly, and scale easily from the cloud and/or the data center. Don't just access your virtual desktop and application environment. Experience it with the Dell Wise 5070 Thin Client.